On our channel, you had the opportunity to see a tutorial on how to set up a display name on Snapchat. If you missed it, I'll leave the link in the profile description. Today, I'm showing you how to remove the display name if you don't like it or simply don't want it on your profile anymore. Let's start by opening the Snapchat app. Go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon here. There are two ways you can remove your display name. The first and quicker way is to click on your display name. Then delete the name and confirm with Save. I'll now add a new name for demonstration purposes. The second way you can remove the display name is by pressing the Settings button. After that, enter the name field. To delete your display name, simply press the Remove Name button below. And that concludes this tutorial. Thank you for following us in increasing numbers. Follow our channel if you like our content.